Welcome to Locksmith Express. Today, we're fixing 5 reasons your key fob is not working. Ever pressed your car's key fob, only to be met with silence? It's frustrating, but don't worry. Today, we're covering the top 5 reasons your key fob might be giving you the cold shoulder and how to fix it yourself. Let's dive in. First up, the most common culprit, a dead battery. A fresh battery is often all it takes to bring your fob back to life. Next, your key fob might have simply lost its connection. Check your car's owner's manual for specific instructions on how to repair it. Our third reason, sticky or dirty buttons. Gunk can build up, preventing contact. Gently clean around and under the buttons to free them up. Fourth, interference. Other electronic signals can block your fob's signal. Try stepping a few feet away or moving to a different location. Finally, if these simple fixes don't work, it might be a bigger underlying issue. In these cases, it's best to call in the professionals. That's where Locksmith Express comes in. If you're still locked out, our team offers fast key fob repair and replacement. Get in touch with us. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Locksmith Express for more tips. See you next time.